Apply this to your hairbrush. It solves a common problem. Dirt on a brush isn't just leftover styling products, but also oil, dead skin, and dust that build up with every use. This transfers dirt back onto clean hair. Before I show you this simple trick, first clean your brush thoroughly. Prepare a large bowl with warm water, then add shampoo and a little vinegar. The shampoo removes grease, while the vinegar has antibacterial properties. Together, they create a perfect cleaning mixture that is gentle on the brush, but effective in removing buildup. Soak the brush in the solution for about 15 minutes. After that, take it out and clean between the bristles. Rinse it under running water to remove any residue and let it dry with the bristles facing down. Now for the main trick. Before using your clean brush again, place a wet wipe over it. As you brush, all hair and dirt will collect on the wipe instead of the brush. When you're done, simply remove and discard the wipe. Your brush stays clean for longer, saving you time on frequent washing. Gray hair will disappear. This homemade recipe is truly simple. It takes just a few minutes to prepare a solution for treating gray hair, whether it's roots or gray strands at the temples. This mixture works 100%. Start by preparing a red onion. Cut it in half and finely grate it. Place a strainer over a second bowl and transfer the grated onion to it, pressing to extract the juice. Onion juice contains the enzyme catalase, which, when used regularly, prevents hair from turning gray. Next, add lemon to the onion juice. Cut a lemon in half and squeeze the juice into the bowl with the onion juice. Lemon strengthens the hair. Now, take a tablespoon and squeeze some toothpaste onto it. Mix the toothpaste thoroughly with the onion and lemon juice until well blended. Apply this mixture to your scalp and all over your hair. Leave it on for about an hour. Then, rinse your hair with water and wash it as usual with shampoo. Regular use of this onion-based mixture guarantees the elimination of gray hair regardless of age. Cut the cotton pads in half and place them in the fridge. The next morning, you won't believe the results. Use regular cotton pads that you usually use to remove makeup. Today, I'll show you another use for them. Take scissors and a few cotton pads. Cut them in half. Pour a bit of green tea leaves into a glass. Pour hot water over them. Do not brew with boiling water. Green tea contains many vitamins. Loose-leaf tea, not tea bags, has more health benefits. It has anti-atherogenic and anti-cancer properties. When the infusion cools down, prepare a small bowl and pour a few teaspoons of tea into it. Add a small amount of coconut oil. A bit at the tip of the teaspoon is enough. The oil will dissolve in the warm tea. Coconut oil has antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and antiviral properties. Place the cotton pads in the bowl with oil and tea. When they soak, place the bowl in the fridge. This way you can store them longer. Stretch the soaked pads before use and apply them under your eyes. Leave on for 20 minutes. Dark circles under the eyes will disappear. Such a mask stimulates blood circulation and moisturizes. Use regularly every morning or at night, and you will be pleasantly surprised by the results. In winter, I always carry it in the pocket of my coat. A simple ball made of aluminum foil solves a very annoying problem. Every woman should know this trick. It comes in handy when the temperature outside drops. Tear off a piece of regular aluminum foil and crumple it into a ball. Don't squeeze it too tightly so that it has a rough surface. Put it in the pocket of your jacket or coat. When the temperature drops, most people put on more layers of clothes and hats. They are often the cause of the annoying problem. Women with long hair will confirm that their hair gets terribly staticky. It's hard to take care of their appearance during the day. After taking off a hat, the hair becomes electrified and sticks out in all directions. A regular comb won't handle them, as well as a simple ball of aluminum foil. Just take it out of your pocket and comb your hair with it. It has an anti-static effect. Thanks to this, you can easily control your hair. They will be instantly smoothed. That's why it's worth carrying such a ball in your pocket in winter. You never know when you'll need to tame electrified hair. Did you know about this trick? Aluminum foil will also be useful in another part of your wardrobe, especially in sub-zero temperatures. Take out the insoles from your winter shoes and trace them on thin cardboard. Then, cut them out. Take aluminum foil, Wrap the cardboard insole with it. It's important for the shiny side to be facing up. Insert the prepared insole into the shoe, under the standard insole. Cardboard insulates from the cold. The foil reflects the heat from the foot and helps maintain a higher temperature in the shoe. This simple trick prevents feet from freezing even in sub-zero temperatures. It works especially well for shoes with thin soles. You have no idea how much avocado can help you. If you have trouble walking or getting out of bed, this method is perfect for you. Every doctor recommends this fruit. Avocado can save your life and the lives of your loved ones. It has incredible health benefits. You don't need to spend money on expensive medications when you have such a miraculous fruit at home. But as valuable as the fruit is, the avocado seed is even more precious. The seed contains over 70% of the antioxidants found in the whole fruit. Additionally, it supports collagen regeneration. So if you're struggling with joint issues, turn to this fruit. Remove the seed and don't throw it away. Peel off its skin if the avocado is very ripe. The skin will come off easily. Cut the peeled seed into smaller pieces. For less ripe avocados, the seed will be harder and may require more effort to cut. Place the chopped seed into a small jar. Pour over pure alcohol like spirits or high-proof liquor to cover the pieces. Let it sit for at least 24 hours. Then, use the mixture on sore areas and joints. Soak cotton pads in the solution and apply it to the areas where you feel pain. With just 2 ingredients, you'll wake up pain-free. Walking will no longer be a problem. Just make sure to use this homemade remedy regularly. Massage it into your shoulders, wrists, or knees before bed, and soon you'll forget about the pain. I pour this on my heels, and my problems disappear. Here's how you can quickly and affordably get rid of dry, cracked heels. Grab a small bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of honey. Honey has antibacterial and moisturizing properties that soften the skin and speed up the healing of cracked heels. To the honey, add 2 tablespoons of salt. Then, add 2 small spoonfuls of your favorite body lotion. The lotion's ingredients work to hydrate your skin. Mix everything thoroughly until it's a smooth consistency. Lastly, add a small spoonful of coconut oil. If it's not liquid, heat it briefly in the microwave. With its intense moisturizing properties, coconut oil softens the hardened skin and speeds up regeneration. Mix everything again, and the product is ready. Pour this mixture over your feet, and you'll feel the difference. This blend of ingredients is a fantastic homemade way to moisturize dry, cracked heels.